Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all. I Aisha in front of you all. As you all know that on 25th December there will be a carnival in our school. So let us move towards there and see how the preparation are going on. See, this is the model of economics. This is the model related to bank scheme where students tell about the different scheme in our social life. So let us move towards there. Mrs. Shalini Gupta ma'am, she is HOD in our school of economics subject. She is very dedicated towards her subject. She made this project with a lot of efforts. So let us move towards the student and see how they prepare their project and ask few questions about them. See, what's your topic, guys?
Our topic name is bank schemes.
What's the topic about that?
Our topic name is bank schemes.
Why you choose this subject या फिर topic?
Choose for the awareness of people about the different schemes of the bank.
Okay. So tell me about the different scheme to the peoples.
My topic is SIP or mutual fund. SIP is a systematic investment plan and it is a decline way of the investment in the trading account, recurring account and the mutual fund with the fixed rate of the amount. And mutual fund is the collections of the money by the multiple investors, and SIP is the recurring form of investment and the mutual fund is the lump sum form of the investment.
Okay. So what's your topic? Tell me about your scheme.
My topic is a Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is a national mission of financial inclusion, and it's provide a financial service like credit, accidental insurance and pensions and etc. And this account can be opened in any branch or bank. Thank you.
Okay. Tell me about your scheme.
My topic name is LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, भारतीय जीवन बीमा निगम. मैंने पॉलिसी ना LIC भारतीय लक्ष्य जीवन प्लान, जीवन लाभ प्लान, जीवन आनंद प्लान, जीवन उमंग प्लान और अमृत बल प्लान इन जीवन लक्ष्य प्लान. It another name is Kanyadan policy. Minimum age is 18 year or maximum age is 15 year. Policy term is 13 to 25. Thank you.
Okay. Tell me about your scheme.
My topic is Sukanya Samriddhi scheme. This is beneficial for girls' education and marriage purpose, etc. This account can be opened in any bank and the interest rate is higher. Thank you.
Tell me about your scheme.
My topic is Kisan Yojana scheme. The scheme is provided minimum amount rupees 6,000 to income support for eligible farmers, and the amount is paid in 3 equal installments of 2,000 rupees and for every 4 months, and mainly provided to landlord farmers. Thank you.
Tell me about your scheme.
My topic is post office. There are a lot of schemes in post office, like post office monthly income scheme, post office savings scheme, etc. Post office monthly income scheme, you can earn an income in the form of interest in every month. Interest rate is 7.4%. Second scheme is post office savings scheme. In this scheme, the biggest advantage is service and guarantee, and interest rate is 4% to 9%. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. You can give me any answer of this project. Ma'am, please, can you say something?
Yes, but I'm very thankful to Mr. Raman sir who gave me this opportunity, and I'm very thankful to all the students who will support me, and thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, guys.